Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance and Bully Dog. We're going to be showing you how to set up the EGT kit onto your tuning device. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. Okay, so the first step with your device already plugged into your OBD2 port on your vehicle. Secondly, you're going to want to plug in your analog cable that comes with your EGT kit. So on the top left of your device, you'll see the port for that. Plug that cable in. And then we're going to power up the device. You can see we're on the main menu. The second option is gauges/data log. We're going to scroll down and choose that. It's going to ask us to turn the key on, so turn the key on. Then scroll over to the left and choose configuration. So we are in a 2016 Ford gas vehicle today, so we're going to scroll down and look for Ford Gas 2008 and newer. Select that. Then our data is going to come up. You can see you can choose any PID on here, but we're going to choose the top one, control module voltage. Choose that. Then we're going to go to item and choose the item we want. So once we select item, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and there's going to be a analog input 7 red firewire. That's the option we want to choose. And then if we scroll down one to equation, there are a number of preset equations that we provide you, and you can see at the top is the SCT EGT kit. So we're going to choose the EGT and it's in degrees Fahrenheit, and then scroll over and hit approve. And there you go. There's our live data, which is 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about the room temperature here. And to confirm that it's actually working, one thing we can do is take a lighter and actually heat up the probe on the EGT sensor, and when you put a flame to that EGT probe, you can actually see the temperature climb. So that tells us it's working correctly. It's as simple as that.